Very uncomfortable to tint this window. Today we're doing a Cybertruck. Let's go. Damn it. Take two. Let's go. Today we're doing a Cybertruck, full windshield, sunroof. Most important thing on the windshields is roll it up sideways. Since it is a big windshield, you have to roll it up sideways to put it in there. It's easier with two people to get it put on correctly, but I could do it one person. That thing needs no heat up top. Zero. When you lean like that, then you're gonna get the window dirty with your back and your shirt. Please help. This is what happens when you're gonna tint your fridge at home. You're gonna run into a little bit of issues, but you can make it work out. I ain't hear no complain. I need two people to tint a windshield. No, you don't, bro.
It's ripped.
What happened there?
It really ripped?
Yeah.
Where's the mic at, Jay?
I mean, I got all that. It is.
It's okay. Then you're finishing with the other one. Don't worry. The top doesn't need heat at all, bro. Once you squeegee it up, there was no fingers coming down. I dry it. So squeegee up and dry it. Don't let the water come back down. I got it, Eddie. I got it.
Yeah, but
I got it. I got it. So you thought I was short, man? I gotta hire even a more short person that could fit in there. The problem is that we eat too good here, man. We're not 100 pounds. See, if we install this in one person, you get a lot of views.
why didn't you do it?
That's what I'm gonna do. I was gonna do it last time until I started getting too excited. Wipies for the people that don't know how to put this windshield one person inside. I need wipies. All right. Everybody that's watching, I need $20 a head.
I'm not watching.
I bought the windshield down, so I'm participating.
I'm helping too.
Jay, you gotta make me look good in camera, bro. Woo! Why everybody gotta be so silent for? See, all you do is blow on the bottom. So let you get that bottom down. Eddie, you getting it? That's how we need to do. One person, right? Nah, let me tell you, one person if you don't have a choice. If you could have help, take the help. Stop being a little Yep. Hey, but I said if you can't handle it. No, I can handle it, bro. This is for Mike Powell. He said, oh, you need two people to do this windshield. It ripped it again, dude. It ripped it again.
Did it really?
Yep. See, every time I get here, I start talking shit. That's what happens. He's holding it over there. If you're the person here, you got to make sure you unroll from the top.
Yeah, because that's
Yes.
rolled up in there.
Because even with the tape there, it still freaking ripped it. Once it reminds you it's there, then you'll stop there. You won't keep on going. See, I got super excited there. That's what happens. You can't get excited, bro. If you don't stop and take the liner off of there, it ripped it. So we heat shrunk the window. Then when we laid it, we rolled it sideways. We brought it this direction. And the easiest route we found out is just squeegee everything down, and then on this top, squeegee everything up. Do you know what you need? Like almost like the bulldozer.
It's on that side.
But like blue, oh yeah. But like with a blue end.
Oh,
A hard end, you know?
yeah.
Look at Eddie sweating, dude. See him sweating? He just got in there.
What is the trickiest part of doing this windshield?
Right there, you see it. It's putting it in. I mean, you have this much that is hard to reach in here. So this much of the dash is elongated. So you only could fit there so much.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not cool for me to put a 50-year-old guy in there, but look at him go. Yeah, it's getting it good. Look, he's sweating, dude. What are you sweating, bro? You all right? Shop has AC and everything. You're sweating in there. Unbelievable.
Don't see why not. You can do it from the outside.
Excellent team.
Sup, brother?
Tell me about this thing.
What is it? Sup, brother?
Most important things to remember when doing a Cybertruck windshield.
Try to cover up everything on the dash. The heat shrink is really, really simple. We don't even shrink the top. Just bring everything down and we just shrink the bottom. And just rolling it up and putting it in. I mean,
Doing the side roll.
yeah, definitely side. Yeah. When you use the paper towels on the bottom, it soaks up the water, so all the little fingers will go away. That's good. Don't heat it up. Don't heat it up. Don't. Let them hit it a couple times with that. See how much water's in there. Look at that.
Yeah, right there.
It's a lot, right? We're doing the sunroof also. And if you step in here real quick and look at the sunroof and the windshield, it's a big size on, it's all roof and glass, so definitely needs some ceramic film. Importance about the install is Distinctive Window Tinting did the install, so install is gonna be money, no matter what.